Are you an affiliate marketing rookie? We can help. With the mobile internet market absolutely exploding, there's millions of more computer users now than there were just a year ago. This means there are hundreds of thousands of new online shoppers, all ready to be led to a product via your links. If you've always wanted to earn commissions from other people's purchases, this video will tell you how to do it. When looking for payout from an affiliate marketing program, remember that many companies will hold onto your money for quite some time after a sale. In many cases, you have to meet a lower threshold before you are allowed to withdraw your commission. In other cases, the parent company may hold your money until after they ship the product, to ensure the order isn't cancelled or returned. Don't expect instant payout on a sale. Nothing seems to sell a product quite as well as scarcity. When a customer believes he or she only has a few minutes to get the product at the list price before the deal is no longer available, they're over 3 times as likely to act. Use this technique in your affiliate marketing and make sure you instill a sense of urgency in customers. Do not get caught out advertising products for a merchant that will not ship to your website's visitors. On the internet, it is easy to forget how big the world is, and not all of the affiliate marketing partners you can join up with ship all the way around that world. Do not waste time on an advertiser that cannot ship to countries where the majority of your visitors live. Earning fat commissions by being the literal, driving force of a product's sales is a very rewarding venture. If you can follow the advice and steps laid out in this video, you can work your way up through the ranks of affiliate marketing and eventually, become a big player in the market. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.